my cutie patooties. Here's the deal. I see everybody doing the I Follow Blank's makeup tutorial challenge. So, that's what we're going to do today. I decided last minute, so we're going to take this off. Well, probably just the eye part. We're going to take that off. I still haven't found a tutorial that I want to do yet, so we're going to find a tutorial and we're going to do it. And also, it just turned 5 o'clock, don't judge me. So, cut to the part where I found what tutorial I want to do and let's go. So, what should I Google? I'm just gonna Google makeup tutorial. I want to do something fun. Like, oh gosh. Okay, I know Nikkie Tutorials does some crazy stuff, so we're just gonna go to her channel and we're gonna pick one off of there. Okay, I found what I'm gonna do. It's from Nikkie Tutorials and it's the Zendaya Edgy Double Cut Crease Makeup Tutorial. We're gonna play with some color today. That's new for me. I usually do warm tones, and like for a night look I'll do like a smoky eye, a black smoky eye. So this has blues and purples in it. Let's see how this goes. Also I'm gonna skip through all the face part because I ain't doing that. I'm just gonna like do this part just for video's sake to keep this short. Hi, I have no eye makeup on.
Ignore my pebbles, okay? Everybody get some.
So she starts off applying a base. Also, I'm gonna start off with some mascara still on my eyes because who has time to take that all off? Alright.
For eyes, the first thing I'll be doing is applying a base, of course, to keep this eye on all day long, and I'm using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot for this.
She's gonna use a base because she wants to keep it on all day. I don't know if I want to, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of concealer on there. And we're gonna rub it in with our fingers. Yeah, buddy. And that excess mascara that is still on my face is coming off everywhere. She uses a brush, but
a little trick to make blending easier is applying a lighter matte eyeshadow from crease to brow bone area, and this will just help blend anything you put over top so much.
we're gonna apply a lighter matte eyeshadow from crease to brow bone. What do we want to use? Okay, we're gonna take, because we'll probably be using it anyways, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Nocturnal Shadow Box dupe. And we're gonna use the lightest matte shade, ABC Gum, right there. That's freaking nasty! I didn't even look at the names on these. ABC Gum, that's gonna be... There's also a shade named Heroin in here, so, I mean, that's good. Okay, it looks like she's using a brush like this, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into that color and I'm gonna apply it from crease to brow bone, like she said, so it'll blend well. Okay.
Right now with a matte black eyeshadow, I'm first going to wing out my lid, and for this I'm using a Morphe M160 1/16 brush. Go ahead and fill that in.
Okay, we're gonna use...
We have a nice direction to go with for the rest.
We're gonna use a Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna use black. It's called Abyss. The Black Abyss. We're gonna use that. I don't know if I have an angled brush that's small. We're gonna use my eyebrow brush. I might regret this. So she said, draw a wing on the outside. Holy moly. Draw a wing on the outside of your eye. Oh my god, how did she get it so thin? Holy crap. Did she wet her brush? She didn't show her wetting that brush, so I'm not going to do it. But I feel like that would probably help because it's not very pigmented right now. I somewhat did it, so let's continue. Oh. Yeah. When you're a broke college kid, you don't have a very good setup. So.
To cut the lid, I'll be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and a Sigma
I don't have
L05
that.
brush. And with this, we're going to create our lid shape.
I already got a lid shape. It's called my eyelid. Okay, we're gonna create our lid shape, apparently. I'm gonna take a Lexi 249. This. We're gonna create our lid shape. I'm trusting the process. Trusting the process. She knows what she's doing. Yeah! Okay. Let's go back a little bit.
Set that using Color Rain Malibu eyeshadow. And of course, you want to stay inside that cut lid line. And
Okay, I don't have that, but I do have the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I have this pretty shimmery turquoise, which is called Pool Party. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take this one. This Anastasia little flat itty bitty baby brush. We're gonna use that. She didn't show her doing it, but I feel like this is the only way it's gonna go good. We're gonna use some setting spray on the brush because I know that it's gonna help it stick. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. She said, color within the lines. I'm coloring within the lines. Okay, actually, that is so pretty. Okay, next step.
the center of the lid, this Danessa Myricks Metals pigment in sequin.
Oh, I wish I had that blue. Let's see. God, I'm gonna have to make do. This, the heroine actually that I was talking about earlier, is blue, but is not that shimmery. Okay, I couldn't find anything that was as shimmery as blue of what she used, but I did use this, the heroine that's in this Urban Decay palette. And I guess that turned out okay. So, got a little bit of fallout from that stinking black, but let's keep going.
Now I'm going to grab the Morphe 35P palette and taking this color right here, and with a Carity E22 brush, I'm going to cut right above that line to create a new crease.
I'm in way over my head. Okay. I don't have anything that thin and precise. So, again, I'm going to take my eyebrow brush, and actually we're going to wet it this time. So it's not maybe as thick of a line. Maybe it'll be a little more precise. And I'm going to take in Jaclyn Hill's palette, I'm going to take this color right here because that's pretty close to that purpley shade. I might dab those two darker bluish purples together. And we're going to start making a new crease like she said. Honestly, I just feel like this is getting worse and worse. But we're already this far. Let's go.
And then now with a small little Morphe M515 brush, I'm going to buff and blend that out.
Okay, so I'm going to take the brush that's in that Urban Decay palette and still has the plastic on it and blend that out. Not sure if it got worse or better.
All the time, but the higher you get up, the less pressure you want to put on that brush to make a beautiful blend.
Beautiful.
You can always go in with a large brush to soften the edges and make it seamless. On the waterline, I'll be applying the Sephora Contour Inner Rim Gel Liner in black.
Okay. I have a ColourPop liner in black. Stop it.
Palette and going into these two colors right here for the lower lash line. Using a Sigma E05 brush to apply.
More purple. Okay, more purple it is.
And then right at the outer corners, you want to wing that purple out parallel to the wing.
Okay, hold on. I started this challenge wanting to do something hard, and now it's just kind of like, what am I doing with my life? Okay, here we go.
And with Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Heart, I'm going to
I have
highlight
that.
my inner corner.
I have that. I have that.
Lining the rabbit.
Okay.
For lashes today, I'll be using the
Pink Heart.
in the style Goddess.
We're not doing lashes. We're not. Alright, I'm done. So here's your finish. Obviously I don't have any face makeup on, but here's your finished look. Wow, she's a makeup professional. Ooh, okay. Well, that was fun. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. That is the end of this challenge. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe, and you really help me out if you would hit that like button, and I will keep making videos. Thank you all. I love you dearly. Bye.